we experience challenges that ripple through our emotions, thoughts, and even our body. Welcome to Harmonic Roots, where ancient wisdom meets modern insight. Our mission is to help you cultivate a balanced, purposeful, and sustainable life by exploring practices that transcend time. In this video, we'll explore the powerful world of the 7 chakras, your body's energy centers that hold the key to peace, health, and spiritual harmony. If you're looking to align your energy and transform your life, you're in the right place. The word chakra comes from Sanskrit, meaning wheel. There are 7 main chakra in the body, and they govern the flow of life energy. Each chakra plays a crucial role in our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Root Chakra, Muladhara Chakra, represents grounding and security. Sacral Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, the center of creativity and passion. Solar Plexus Chakra, Manipura Chakra, represents self-esteem and power. Heart Chakra, Anahat Chakra, the center of love and compassion. Throat Chakra, Vishuddha Chakra, the chakra of communication and expression. Third Eye Chakra, Agnya Chakra, the center of intuition and wisdom. Crown Chakra, Sacral Chakra, represents spiritual awareness. When your chakras are out of balance, it can affect both your physical and mental well-being. Each chakra governs a specific part of our lives, and when one or more of them become blocked or misaligned, we experience challenges that ripple through our emotions, thoughts, and even our bodies. Root Chakra imbalance, Muladhara. The root chakra, at the base of the spine, is responsible for our sense of security, stability, and groundedness. When this chakra is out of balance, you might feel insecure, unsafe, or fearful, as if you're lacking a solid foundation. This imbalance can cause chronic anxiety, financial difficulties, or a constant feeling of instability. Physically, it may manifest as lower back pain, issues with your legs or feet, or problems with the immune system. Sacral Chakra imbalance, Svadhisthana. The sacral chakra, located just below the navel, governs creativity, passion, and emotions. When this chakra is blocked or imbalanced, you might feel emotionally detached, uninspired, or creatively stuck. You may struggle to connect deeply with others or experience difficulty enjoying life's pleasures. Physically, an imbalance can lead to sexual dysfunction, reproductive health problems, or lower back pain, while emotionally it may result in feelings of guilt or shame. Solar Plexus Chakra, imbalance, Manipura. The solar plexus chakra, located in the upper abdomen, is the center of self-confidence, personal power, and decision-making. When this chakra is out of balance, you may experience a lack of self-worth, self-doubt, or feel powerless in your life. Decision-making becomes difficult, and you might feel a constant sense of frustration or low energy. Physically, this can result in digestive issues, chronic fatigue, or even problems with your metabolism. An imbalanced solar plexus chakra can make it challenging to assert yourself or take control of your life. Heart Chakra. The heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, is all about love, compassion, and emotional balance. When it's blocked, you might struggle with emotional vulnerability, feel disconnected from others, or experience relationship difficulties. An imbalanced heart chakra can make it difficult to forgive, causing you to hold on to grudges or harbor feelings of resentment. Physically, this imbalance might show up as heart or lung problems, or pain in the upper back and shoulders. Throat Chakra imbalance, Vishuddha. The throat chakra, located at the throat, governs communication and self-expression. When this chakra is out of balance, you might find it hard to speak your truth or communicate clearly. You may fear judgment, find it difficult to express yourself, or feel misunderstood. This could lead to frustration, self-censorship, or feeling unheard. Physically, an imbalanced throat chakra can manifest as a sore throat, thyroid problems, or issues with the neck and jaw. It can also affect your ability to listen effectively, as communication goes both ways. Third eye chakra. Imbalance. Agya. The third eye chakra, situated between the eyebrows, is the center of intuition, insight, and inner vision. When this chakra is blocked, you may feel confused, disconnected from your inner wisdom, or unable to make clear decisions. You might experience self-doubt or feel stuck in life, unable to see the path ahead. This imbalance can also lead to overthinking or becoming too analytical, losing touch with your intuitive side. Physically, it can cause headaches, vision problems, or sleep disturbances. Crown Chakra imbalance, Sahasrar. The Crown Chakra, located at the top of the head, connects us to higher consciousness and spiritual insight. When this chakra is out of balance, you might feel disconnected from your spiritual self, purpose, or the universe as a whole. You may experience feelings of loneliness, isolation, or a lack of meaning in life. On a physical level, this imbalance can lead to headaches, exhaustion, or issues with mental clarity. Emotionally, it might make you feel stuck in a purely material existence, cut off from the deeper spiritual aspects of life. These chakra imbalances can deeply affect how we experience the world, how we connect with others, and how we understand ourselves. Our energy centers must flow freely to maintain physical health, emotional harmony, and spiritual alignment. Becoming aware of the signs of imbalance is the first step toward healing and restoring equilibrium in your body and mind. So, how can you balance your chakra? By incorporating practices like yoga, meditation, breathwork, and mindful activities, you can restore harmony to each energy center, bringing both physical and emotional well-being back into your life. Let's explore some specific techniques you can use to align and balance each of the 7 chakras. Root Chakra, Muladhara. To balance the root chakra, it's important to ground yourself and reconnect with the earth. A grounding meditation, where you visualize roots extending from your body deep into the earth, can help bring stability and security into your life. Walking barefoot on grass, spending time in nature, or even simple practices like gardening can also help balance this energy center. Physically, yoga poses like mountain pose, Tardasana, tree pose, Vrikshasana, and warrior pose, Virbhadrasana, can help create a sense of rootedness and stability. Sacral Chakra, Swadhisthana. Balancing the sacral chakra requires tapping into your creative and emotional energies. Engage in activities that awaken your creativity, such as dancing, painting, writing, or even cooking. Movement that flows freely, like dance, especially water-based activities like swimming, helps in opening this energy center. In yoga, poses like the goddess pose, Utkat Konasana, pigeon pose, Kapotasana, and cobra pose, Bhujangasana, stimulate the lower abdomen and enhance emotional expression. Embrace your emotions without judgment and allow yourself to experience joy and pleasure fully. Solar Plexus Chakra, Manipurak. The solar plexus chakra is the seat of your personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. To balance this energy center, practice sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, which energize the body and awaken your inner strength. Establishing a structured daily routine can also help bring focus and discipline into your life, fostering a sense of control and confidence. Poses like boat pose, Nayasana, warrior pose 2, Virbhadrasana 2, and bow pose, Dhanurasana, activate the core and boost your self-confidence. It's also important to set clear boundaries, prioritize your goals, and take decisive action in your life to strengthen this chakra. Heart Chakra, Anahat. To balance the heart chakra, focus on cultivating love, kindness, and compassion, both for yourself and for others. Acts of kindness, self-care, and forgiveness are key to healing and opening this energy center. Practice heart-opening yoga poses like camel pose, Ustrasana, bridge pose, Setubandhasana, and cobra pose, Bhujangasana, to release any emotional blockages and create a sense of openness in your heart. You can also meditate on loving kindness, metta meditation, to nurture feelings of empathy and compassion for all beings. Deep breathing exercises, where you focus on expanding your chest with each inhale, can also help open and balance the heart chakra. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. To balance the throat chakra, it's essential to express your thoughts, feelings, and truth openly. Journaling, singing, or even having honest conversations with loved ones can help clear any blockages in this communication center. Speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Physically, yoga poses that open the throat area, such as shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, fish pose, Matsyasana, and plow pose, Halasana, are beneficial. Chanting or humming can also stimulate this chakra, especially using the bija mantra, huh. The more you practice expressing yourself authentically, the more aligned your throat chakra will become. Third eye chakra, Agya. Balancing the third eye chakra involves connecting with your inner wisdom and intuition. Regular meditation is crucial for opening this energy center, especially practices that focus on mindfulness or visualization. Trust your inner voice and pay attention to your dreams or subtle insights that guide you. Yoga poses like child's pose, Balasana, dolphin pose, Ardha pinch, Mayurasana, and eagle pose, Garudasana, can help stimulate the third eye area. You can also practice Tratak meditation, where you focus your gaze on a candle flame to enhance your concentration and clarity of vision. Allow yourself to trust in your intuition and see beyond the physical world. Crown Chakra, Sahasrar. The Crown Chakra is your connection to higher consciousness and spiritual awareness. To balance this energy center, engage in deep meditation practices that focus on connecting with the divine or the universe. Silent meditation, mindfulness, or transcendental meditation are powerful tools for aligning the Crown Chakra. Spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, or engaging in spiritual study can also help nurture this connection. Poses like headstand, Shirshasana, corpse pose, Shavasana, and lotus pose, Padmasana, are particularly beneficial for stimulating the Crown Chakra. Engage in practices that elevate your awareness beyond the material world, fostering a sense of unity and oneness with all of existence. Balancing your chakra requires regular practice and mindful attention, but with time, you'll notice profound shifts in your energy, emotions, and overall well-being. Each step you take to restore balance brings you closer to living a life of harmony, peace, and spiritual connection. Through consistent yoga, meditation, and breathwork, you can align these powerful energy centers and experience greater clarity, strength, and inner peace. Balancing your chakra can bring peace, strength, and positive energy into every aspect of your life. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you'll feel more grounded, energized, and connected to your true self. Remember, it's a gradual process, so be patient and kind to yourself as you embark on this journey. At Harmonic Roots, we believe in the power of merging ancient wisdom with modern insights to create a sustainable, fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. We're excited to continue this journey together toward a balanced and enlightened life. Until next time, take care, stay balanced, and we'll see you in the next video.